Hi, I'm Naomi Krell, owner and operator of Rogue Phoenix Productions. In today's digital world, static photos no longer cut it.
Buyers expect immersive, engaging content. Listings with videos get 49% more qualified leads and generate 403% more inquiries. As a commercially licensed drone operator and videographer, I am able to transform traditional listings into visual experiences that capture attention and drive results. My diverse fleet of drones enables a full spectrum of property showcase capabilities. Indoor walkthroughs and property tours reveal layout, flow, and spatial character of properties. Intimate outdoor footage captures gardens, patios, and the surrounding charm of the house. And dramatic aerial shots showcase large estates, acreage, and context. Whether you're representing luxury homes or charming community listings, our content elevates your marketing strategy. Real estate listings with videos outperform static listings by a wide margin, helping you generate more leads and close faster. At Rogue Phoenix Productions, we work with your needs directly. Whether you are looking for a polished, professional end product to immediately display to your clients, or if you want the raw footage to edit and publish yourself, we are tailored to agents in the Pacific Northwest with accessible pricing and flexible service options for all needs. Let's partner together to elevate your listings. I'd be thrilled to work with you and your team's needs to quickly and efficiently deliver unforgettable visuals and real results.